According to the CDC, over 70 million U.S. adults are disabled. I'd like to point out two things here. This number only represents those that have reported, and only people in the U.S. That's right. At least 70 million in the U.S. alone. If it's a business site and you're not designing it with accessibility in mind, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Silktide Accessibility Checker is a free and simple-to-use browser extension that makes this super easy to do, without even needing to know the WCAG standards. It tests a website against over 200 WCAG standards, lists the issues, and even offers step-by-step solutions to the issues it finds. The extension is available on the Chrome Store and will work on any Chromium browser. Search for Silktide and click on Get to install. If you're not on Chrome, you will probably have to allow extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Once the extension is installed, you'll be taken to Silktide's website, where you can see some tutorials. They have excellent videos, so I won't try to teach you the tool here, but I will give you a brief demonstration. Open the tool by clicking on the icon on the right. From the panel that appears, click Accessibility Checker. Give the tool a few seconds to analyze the page, and it'll display a report of its findings. Select an issue to see why it's an issue listed in the pane. The page will advance to the offending element. At the top of the pane, the tool will describe why it considers this an issue, and at the bottom, it provides steps to fix it. And that's all there is to making your site accessible. Please share this with every web developer you know.